everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with the flip through of the Rosy Gazette Cinch Journal. The kit is by Pink Monarch Prints, and the inspiration for this project comes from Suzy at Creative Cafe Girl. The links are in the description box. This was a really fun one. I enjoyed doing this one, and it went by pretty quick too. I have a cinch binding here. I've added just some miscellaneous ribbons to the spine, and on the front I have put a tri-fold here. This just clips to keep it closed, and it opens up, and it has some journal spots, a little waterfall with some journaling places inside here, and I just thought that looked fun on the front cover, so I added that, and that just clips down like that. In the first page I have an envelope with a tag. I've just put a little clip here, little paper clip that I have. It's got kind of like a pink tint added to it with a little bit of rickrack, and then there's a tag back here. Lots of little tiny, well, not tiny, but small journal spots. I've got an envelope here with a faux wax seal on the ephemera here. Inside I've got some writing paper, and I have just inked around it. Plenty of room to add more. On this side I've got a couple of pockets. Inside the pockets there's a label and a lined paper. And up in the top pocket up here we've got 3 small tags. Get back in there. On this side I've got just a pretty tuck spot made out of a receipt, and I've got some more writing paper in the back and a lined tag. On this side we've got another one of those envelope tuck spots. I've put another clip here, just some ephemera from the collection. It has a lined tag inside the pocket also for writing. If I can get it back in the pocket. There we go. And the paper. Beautiful, beautiful paper. Actually, it goes this way. Okay, and then here we have a little coin envelope type thing with just a little collage, some lace. Inside the pocket I've got a little tag, a little secret journal spot. Did I put anything else in there? There's room for more in there if you wanted to add it. On the back I've got a little collage, little cluster with a button. And on this side I've got a little crochet flower with a button. We've got a little tag and some tickets in this pocket, and then this comes out, and there is a little journal card inside the pocket and a place to write here as well. And back here we have a stacked pocket with a beautiful tag, and see if I can get that back in with it's a tight pocket. The more you move things in and out, I'll do that in a minute. The more you move things in and out, the easier it is. So just some things in the pocket, then a couple of tiny tags down here. So I'll put those back in a minute. On this side I've got 2 pockets. I've just added some lace trim there, and down here I added some lace and a little number also. These are some journal cards that I just folded into a little booklet for a little journal spot there. And the same thing here. Love this telephone. We used to have one similar to that when right after I got out of high school, I think it was. My mom bought that fancy phone. It was so funny. And I have another faux wax seal. They both say love. And this one's a little bit pink. The other one was kind of silver. Inside the pocket, I've got two writing spaces, so you can see there's plenty of room to add to these envelopes. Probably could get 3 or 4 depending on the thickness of the paper. Got a little journal card here, little tab card with a little collage at the bottom, and here also a little tag with plenty of writing space. This is a tuck made out of an envelope flap, and I've just tucked a couple of things in there for writing on, which is always fun. And then on this side we've got a tall tag with a pocket, and then I've added 2 smaller tags inside the pockets. The tab on top. A little coin envelope with a rose image here. I just love that. It looks like it's like on peeling paint. And then on this side, I've turned the coin envelope into a little semi-stacked pocket, I guess. A little collage down here. I've got a couple of little tickets in the pocket. There's a label, and then up here I've got just some journaling cards inside the bigger pocket. And on the back page we have a couple of tags in this pocket, just a circle with some roses on it. I thought that looked fun there in the pocket, and love the strip with the little girls for writing, tag in the bottom pocket. Very, very fun. And then on the back page is the label, and as you know, when you get these, you have to the binding has to be just right to get it closed. All you have to do is kind of lift it and let it hang, and then you're back in business. So I hope you like that. That was a fun one, and we'll be moving on to something else. Thanks for watching. Bye now.